Alright man, so what's good with y'all? You know, I'm about to do like a quick little mod to bring the Plasti Dip back out and hit this spot on the front bumper because you know it's looking a little plain Jane. So I'm about to fix that up with some black Plasti Dip. Ain't all that black. I just moved the license plate out the way. As you can see, the bracket is still sitting right there, so not too worried about whether, you know, I get any Plasti Dip on it, but, you know, whatever. I just want to make this part black. And also, by me Plasti Dipping it, it'll cover up some of these chips. I don't know if y'all remember me saying that the clear coat that I put on was some trash. So the thing is, the bumper chipped up, you know, because of that weak clear coat. So I got to repaint the bumper and then, you know, put a better clear coat on. And yeah, so right now the Plasti Dip is just gonna cover up some of them chips. So after about 12 minutes, I finally got the tape around there. You know, got it all taped up so I could paint it and stuff. So I got 2 cans left over from when I Plasti Dip the wheels and stuff, so I'm gonna just use these to do the front of the bumper, the front bumper. This shouldn't take that long. It should take about 20 minutes maybe, 20-30 minutes tops, because you know I gotta let it dry in between. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So that's the first coat. I forgot to cover up the radiator, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna cover that up.
Younger music.
I just did the second coat. You see, making progress. So I'm finished now. I'm just waiting for it to dry. Like I said, it was probably gonna take me like 30 minutes, and it did take me around 30 minutes. I'm done, just letting it dry. As you can see right there, you know, black that part out. It was, you know, a little plain, like I said earlier. And I just wanted to give it a little bit more pop to it. But you know, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, check out my other videos. Stay tuned for new ones. But this is the end of the video, and I am out.
Gotta wait to make them movies, I be loaded. They gonna be afraid once I make a move on you, nigga, I be loaded. Ain't gotta wait to make them movies, I be loaded. Why you watching drinking 40s, I just told it. Still that same nigga in a foreign, but it's stolen. Ryan sporty, acting sporty, can't control it. I'm doing fraud, got that bag, yeah, I'm transporting. I got that bag on me, nigga, like I'm transporting. He dropped the mixtape, thought I would've reposted. I ain't posted mixtape, cause I don't